Recording. Ah, fuck.
I don't even drink the shit. I don't know if you can see it. No.
Hey, Matt, let's grab an Hey, Matt. Matthew, let's grab an axe and try to chop this right here. See how long it takes us.
About an hour.
An hour?
An hour.
That's what we need a saw for this shit.
Hey, Matt,
Shoot it there, shoot it there. Go.
bro, this should make a...
Oh.
That's already.
Fucking sand this motherfucker down, clear coat it.
That's already ready, huh?
We're gonna climb to the top and bury them up there.
Yep.
Come on. Go, Greg, move.
Need the restroom?
Oh, strong enough, I think I'm gonna
Don't fit in the water.
We're trapped in the woods. We're looking for the Blair Witch. This guy right here, he said that he found a house he's gonna show us. And then this guy right here, he said he wants to try to explore a old abandoned house with no gun, no weapon whatsoever.
They're just flowers, Greg.
Oh.
They're all looking.
We're lost in the woods.
I was taking pictures like this, right? And then all the way down.
You gotta go back. Take you around.
That one burnt.
Yeah, your stick and everything. Look at all that firewood you get around.
put it in the back of the truck. Drive the car over here.
Did you come into the back place?
Actually,
This is the way that Jimmy went out.
You mean you came out this way?
Gotcha.
Remember he got lost?
Yeah, so we came out this way.
He came
Yeah,
out
big
this
tree.
way. Your dad
I
came
think
out
we
this
went
way.
in
Remember
circles,
he got
man.
lost? So he came out this way.
the fuck?
Yeah, because
Hey, look, a bear. I think, well, vete, go ahead. Why are all these trees cut down? So some of it was a fire. It was a fire. Some of it was over here, huh? Some of the fire was over here, huh?
And this look got straight shave right here. Look at that. Clean.
You better not be lost! This is bear country. Fucking Indian calls.
Can't take him
Tale of 1,000 giants. Alright.
Tale of 1,000 giants. Trail of 1,000.
Sounds like a freaking Tale of 1,000 giants. Sounds like a freaking video game level and shit.
Like a turret.
Like something out of God of War. Tale of 1,000 giants. You have to fight like 100. You have to fight like 1,000 titans.
Oh, did I tell you? You're fucking. you're. You know that Colossus game you're talking about?
Huh?
They're coming out with another one.
What?
For PS4. The Colossus game you said you talking about?
Oh, no, that's a remastered version of the PS3 version.
No
That's like
shit.
a remastered of the PS4.
So it's the same thing?
It's the same thing, yeah, but I'm pretty sure how the PS4 is, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be
More stuff.
not more stuff, but how the graphics is gonna look. Another redwood, Sequoia, I think. No, is it Uncle Jesse?
What?
It's Sequoia, right?
Right.
All these trees here are sequoias. None of them are redwoods.
So redwoods are much bigger.
They're taller, but they're not wider than these trees.
The hell? Steph, what'd you get in there? something just try to grab you and shit. Dude.
Oh, on the other side?
I go, don't go in there.
No, in fact, you have to climb in through here, and then they have a bunch of logs stacked.
Alright, guys. I'll see you
So
guys
take a
on
picture on the other side.
next
There's
camping
a
trip.
tower going up.
Hey, you're gonna see
We're in bear country. Hope I don't fucking see one. There's a right over right there. I think I see Bigfoot. No, it's fucking with that. Matt, what are you doing there, fool? I found my new home. Fuck, no. You can live in there or no? You can live in there, huh?
What's that?
What if a bear tried to fucking say if a bear's chasing your ass and you fucking just jump in here real quick?
Daisy.
Just-
Damn, it's
What if a bear chasing you jump in here real quick?
There's a tree growing inside.
Would you be safe?
Tree growing inside the tree.
Just be like, try to grab you and shit.
until that motherfucker tries to take off.
And you'd be stuck and you have to wait in there till you fucking leaves and shit. What should we like? Oh my god. Ow! What's up, Reno? I'm freaking recording this right now.
Spider? No.
I'm trying to take a picture over that. I can't.
That's sap. Oil. Can't tell. Is I'm gonna call my name right here. So instead of put like a heart, it put S plus M. Means they call my heart, just put S plus Joe. No fucking. No M plus J. Fucking.
Greg's recording.
Every out of the woods, yeah, every out of the woods, every out of the woods, yeah, every out of the woods. I expected. This is the first time I've been on a lot of trees like this.
Yeah? To a forest?
Freaking glad I came too. We actually felt like we were in an actual forest.
Your
now.
mom's never been here either. Not even your dad. We don't know what it is.
Woo! Fucking like it. Who's that? I don't know. Barely hear Daisy.
Greg,
Huh?
look at that tree swing right there. Look at that tree swing, Greg. Look at it swinging. The trees, the wind is catching it.
Huh?
The wind is catching it.
Now I'll take more. It'll take more than the wind, than how the wind is now to not just to knock something, a tree like that down.
But the roots on these trees are not big. You're gonna see them right now. The
Huh?
tree just fell down.
What was?
The roots on the bottom to hold it down.
The hell is that? In bear country, I just hope I don't see no bears. I never seen one in my whole life. Giant redwood. No, not redwood, sequoia. Redwoods are taller, not as wider. Huh?
Come on. We're gonna take a picture and send it to Mom. Come on, you guys are ready, Matt? Benji?
The heck? You think that's gonna protect you from a bear?
Picture, send it to Mom.
I'll be fucked up if Matt has a seizure. You know, freaking. Wow. Leave.
Okay, get over there, Stephanie.
Bloody.
Come on. Right there. Great, get over there. Great.
Oh.
Come on, just get over there.
Oh, this shit.
Okay, I'm gonna take
Am I recording you?
Yeah.
Come on, Matthew.
Let's see. What's that?
Get closer. Come on. Okay, it has to be special. All right. Guys, ready? Okay. How about your hand sign, Matthew? Peace.
Catching everything.
All right. I got you.
Right here, Matt. I mean, Joe. I mean, right boy here.
Video. 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 You're on video on Greg's phone.
It's like freaking the dodos from my stage. Go check out that redwood over there.
Dropbox.
The fuck? Hey Matt, you think there could be bears in this area?
Damn, look at that big ass tree.
Matt, you think there could be bears in this area?
Let me try and go across there and take a picture.
I hope I don't bump into one.
If you bump into it, you're gonna know it. What you got?
No, I would hate it though.
It's not.
I never
far,
seen a
ain't.
bear. I know what they do. I know how they act and stuff. But what kind of bear it is that's in this area? That's the one thing I want to know. Grizzlies, brown bears.
Is that how he looks? Yeah.
You want to go into because this way before a lot of people start coming up here.
Family. Alright, I'm gonna end it right here. See you on next time.